how to change the raw format in Sony ZV-1. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can change the raw format, which is RAW format of the Sony ZV-1 camera, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change the raw format of the Sony ZV-1 camera, just go to the menu option over here, and once you go to menu option over here, you can see quality and image size here, where you can just go to file format. Now this could have been set to, let's say, RAW and JPEG. You can just select RAW raw here, and then you can choose a JPEG quality, which could be fine, standard, or depending upon what is it that you prefer, you can just go ahead and then select the type of raw format that you want. This way you can actually change the raw format or the RAW format on Sony ZV-1 camera. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.